What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage today. Bringing you another BMW SUV. I did a video last year sometime of another white small BMW SUV. It was an X3. And this right here is the 2022 BMW X2. Like those wheels. That's a good looking wheel. I'm sure it's just kind of the standard base wheel, but I really like the design. X drive says 28i. I'm just going to go ahead and assume that this has the 2-liter 4-cylinder in it. Oh, we got our cowboy boots. Got our family in from Houston. This is their rental car. Already got a lot of little scuffs and scratches for it to be a 2022. We'll check and see how many miles she's got on her. But she's she's a cute little SUV. Got a long rear back door. Pretty tidy back seat. I had us some toddies. They went to their college reunion last night. I got some little blue custom lighting for the interior. That's pretty cool. Ambient lighting, that's it. BMW LEDs. I do kind of like the nose of this. It seems a little flatter. And the headlights look a little, narrower. I think they're pretty cool looking. It's got a good little look to it, but it's definitely on the compact size. Oh my God, yeah, I hit my head getting in. Yeah, this is a personal size Beamer. Let's start it up. Oh yeah, only 9,000 miles on this one. Ooh, sweet little 4-cylinder. She sounds good. Got a nice little exhaust to her. Let's check under the hood. I'm sure this is just BMW's corporate 2-liter, but let's look and see. I don't know. Oh, don't do this crap to me. BMW hide it somewhere here in the grill. Hang on. Okay. Twin power turbo. What do we have here, folks? Dude, this is not a 3-cylinder, is it? It's got to be a 4. Tell me. I don't know, y'all. 2022 X2. What's under the hood of this thing? It sure is smooth and quiet, whatever the hell it is. Huh. Nice and tidy. Runs really good. Let's get this thing out on the road and see what she'll do. I'm 6'3". Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way I'm getting back here. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I can't get in. Nope. Too small for me. Can't get in. Now if the seat was pulled way up and you had about a 5-foot driver, yeah, maybe. But getting in and out of this is extremely tight. That little X3 I drove last time was much better than this. Let's see. Engine oil service required. Okay. we go. Reverse camera with some backup sensors. Cool little rear view mirror. I like that. That's pretty cool. Looks like something from a Mini Cooper. Man, this feels like you're driving a M2 or M1 or something. I mean, this thing's tiny. Teeny tiny. I do like the HVAC. It's very tidy and nice. And I like the instrumentation. And I do like the cool blue ambient lighting, which I'm sure is customizable. Got lane keep assist. I can see that much. Looks at like, I don't think it has a radar cruise. Oh, it's Halloween tonight, guys. Got to be careful out here. We got the trick-or-treaters. Hey, pup. Let's see. Let's go to map. There we go. Electronic parking brake. Eco and sport mode. Let's do a little sport. Alright, cool. Ooh, we have some sport displays. Alright, check it out. Horsepower and pound-feet of torque. Got some railroad tracks we'll hit. Oh man, very solid. What a smooth car. She's a baby doll. Got some more railroad tracks up here we'll run across. Ooh, get a little vibration in the steering wheel. Let's see. Was that my lane keep? Yep, that's what it was. Okay. I'm getting a little close to the line, so it was giving me a vibration in the steering wheel. I thought, man, this thing has a terrible vibration when it gets in high gear. But yeah, that's just the lane keep assist waking you up. Pretty cool. Nice over the railroad tracks. That's one thing you can definitely say about a BMW, man. They're screwed together like they are carved out of a piece of freaking anvil. Or not a piece of anvil, just carved out of an anvil. Big Lots truck, you can't fucking go through there. Dude, at what? Oh my God, that is so close. Oh, that train trestle. Oh, he made it. I cannot believe it. All right, let's get on it. Wow. Ooh, I like the shifts. She's spunky, man. This little thing has got some scoot. Great shift. I've got it in sport mode, so that's really cool. Has a great, just, you know, real sharp, crisp feel. The shifts are just kind of like bang, bang, bang. I love this thing, showing the torque and the horsepower, swinging all over the place. Handles well, got good feel, good road feel, good grip. No paddle shifters, so it doesn't have any kind of sport package or anything. What a cool little car. It's just so damn small though. I mean, it's not a car, it's an SUV. A little turbo lag. Man, but she's got the get up and go. No doubt about it. Wow. Really impressive. Out of that little 4-cylinder, or shoot, guys, is it a 3-cylinder? It looked so small sitting in there. I just don't know. Comment below if you know. I don't know. There was no there was no indication under the hood saying it was a 2-liter or whatever. It just looked really small. And it was mounted transversely, which it seems like their other 4-cylinder wasn't, but I could be wrong. Wow. Okay, sorry, we're getting washed out by the sun now. Out of the evening sun, head back the other way. All right, there we go. Yeah, what a cool little car. I keep calling it a damn car. It's an SUV, right? X2 SUV, but it's low, dude. I mean, guys, as Derek would say, fellas and fellettes, I mean, I'm low. I'm sitting low. I feel like I'm sitting in a bathtub. But it's got to be an SUV. It's 4-wheel drive. You know what? If you were rich, wealthy, this would be I think this would be a great car to put your daughter in. You know, send her off to college in. You know, it'd be good, safe, practical, got good safety nannies. It's not super fast, get good gas mileage. It's probably pretty damn safe. This thing feels like a freaking brick. Or if you're just out of college and you're looking for your first car, this would be a great little car to lease for 2 years, 3 years or something. Probably get your maintenance paid for. Or a retired couple. I could see them enjoying a smaller SUV like this. For me, I'm a little too tall for it. 6'2", 6'3" with the afro, 260 pounds. I mean, the seat is comfortable, but I don't have a whole lot of leg room. So it's limited there. But this thing's actually a hoot to drive. Just a damn hoot. Well, guys, there you have it. 2022 BMW X2 28iX, blah, blah, blah. Like, comment, subscribe. I reply to all comments. I appreciate you guys. Sorry for the sun. And we'll see you next time. Y'all have a good day. Peace.